Recipes. I'm Kevin, and you know, got home late again. That's the best thing about the Blackstone. If you get home late and you don't have a whole lot of time to cook, I mean, you can always just fire this thing up, which I need to do right now. Let me just get that going. So that's on medium. Tonight, I'm going to use, we had leftover meat from our P.F. Chang's lettuce wraps. Our guest didn't make it, so we had about, I don't know, a little over a pound of it actually left over. So what I've done is, or what I'm going to do, is mix it with some coleslaw, mix the meat mixture, the chicken, with some coleslaw, and I'm going to wrap them up in some egg rolls. And then we're going to fry the egg rolls right here on the Blackstone. So let's go on inside, we'll get them wrapped up, we'll come right back out. Okay, so here we have our leftover lettuce wrapped chicken. I'm just going to dump it in this bowl right here. And then I got this cabbage, that's the tricolor coleslaw, and I'm going to add that to the meat mixture. I'm going to add about, let's say, a cup and a half. And then I'm going to mix it up to check the ratio of coleslaw to meat. Looks like I need a little bit more. So this is probably a total of 2 cups of coleslaw in there. And then next I'm going to get these egg roll wraps, and get one out here for you. These are the large wraps, and you can see right here about the size of my hand. And then you lay them down kind of like in a triangle, and then you get your water and you rub the edges, and it works kind of like an envelope when you lick the envelope to seal it. So we'll put about 2 to 3 tablespoons of filling inside. And then what you want to do is roll up the corner, fold it over, and then you want to fold the other corners in, just like wrapping a burrito. When you get both in, and when you roll it, kind of pinch those corners in, and then roll it up just like this, and it's all sealed up, ready to go. Nothing sticking out on the end. So here we have it. Our leftovers made 20 chicken egg rolls, and we actually had 20 egg roll wraps. So let's get these out to the Blackstone and get them fried up. Okay, before we get cooking here, I just wanted to show you a couple little things. Check these out, ManKitchenRecipes. Yep, those aren't stickers though. These are magnets. You can put them wherever you want, and then you can take them off and move them. I do have a limited supply, so if you want one, shoot me an email with your address, and I'll send you one. Okay, now let's get to cooking. It's going to take a little bit because it's a shallow fry, you know, the egg rolls you'd normally do in a pan. Let's start with that much. We'll be right back. You probably cannot see it, but there's a little bit of white smoke coming up here, which tells me this is ready to roll. So let's get these going. I'm going to try, I think I'm just going to start with 6, see how they turn out, and then I may add more. We're going to have to move these around to all sides to get them nice and golden brown. Look at that. Looking good already, isn't it? Go ahead and flip that one. May have to just turn them this way. Seems my hot zone is more in the center here. All right, let's speed things up. I'm going to get all 20 of these going. You just want to get them on here, let them fry up a little bit, get them nice golden brown. And just before you know it, you'll have all 20 done. It's getting a little dark. Let me shine some light on the last couple of these. All right. And there you go. 20 chicken egg rolls fry it on the Blackstone Griddle. Now you know what I gotta do next, right? I gotta take a taste test of these. Running out of light again. Going off my little light right there. Motion sensor light. Okay, here you go. This is a chicken egg roll. Leftover P.F. Chang's lettuce wrap chicken. Here you go. Oh man. That is delicious. All right, man. Time to go eat again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ring that bell. Keep up with all the tips.